Hello there, Brisky here. Let us listen to the story of Jennifer, where she learns to talk politely and clearly, which is part of effective communication. Here is Jennifer. She is usually a fun-loving, happy-go-lucky girl. But she looks a little upset today. I am wondering why. Let us go a little back in time to see what happened earlier.
Mom, I want to go to the children's fair this Sunday. All my friends are going too.
That may not be possible, dear. We have to go see your grandparents.
No, I want to go to the fair. It will be so much fun.
Behave yourself, Jennifer. We have already decided we are going to your grandparents' house. We have not seen them in a month.
No, I won't come.
Listen to me. You cannot always fuss for everything and be so stubborn.
You and Dad can go. I'm not coming. I don't want to talk to you.
Do you think talking rudely is the right way to communicate? By refusing to talk to her mother, do you think Jennifer has a chance to go to the fair? Jennifer needs to talk to her mother and try to work out a plan so that she can see her grandparents and visit the fair. Let us see what she does. Suddenly, a puff of smoke appears, revealing an elephant fairy. Jennifer looks stunned.
Oh, who are you?
I am Mumbo Jumbo, the star performer at the children's fair. I heard you and your mother talking about the fair. I am here to grant you a wish, but it will not be so simple. Do you still want the wish?
A wish? Wow, how exciting! Can I ask for anything I want?
Of course you can.
Then I want my mother to say yes to whatever I ask.
Are you sure? Okay, here's the condition though. Whenever your mother asks you something, you have to answer in the opposite. So, if you want to say yes, you should say no. And if you want to say no, say yes. Sounds like fun?
Okay, sure. Grant me my wish.
Swishy, wishy, boom, boom. There you go.
Mom, can we go to the fair on Sunday, please?
Sure, my dear. Do you really want to go?
Yes.
Oh, looks like Jennifer has forgotten the condition Mumbo Jumbo mentioned. How do you think Jennifer's mother will react now? Can you act it now?
You still want to go to the fair? I told you we will talk about this later.
Jennifer, remember the wish. You have to answer in the opposite. You were supposed to say no. I don't want to go to the fair.
Oh no, I forgot. Now I can't go to the fair. My mother is very angry with me.
Don't forget this the next time. Mary, there is a children's fair on Saturday. Why don't we take Jennifer there? She will love it.
But we have to see your parents. We haven't gone there in a month.
Oh yes, I forgot about that. Let me ask Jennifer anyway and see what she wants to do. Do you want to see your grandparents? They are waiting to see you.
No. I want to go to the fair instead.
Oh, she's forgotten the condition again. How do you think Jennifer's father will react now? Can you act it out?
Didn't we tell you that we have to visit your grandparents? Don't ask me again.
Oops!
I forgot again. I didn't listen to the question properly. Jumbo, please take back this wish. I don't want it.
Why not? Didn't you like it?
Not at all. It was very difficult to say the opposite of what I wanted to say.
See, that's how it may seem to others when we don't communicate properly. Remember, you had said you won't talk to your mother. Then, how will she know what you are thinking? We should say what we think and what we want to say correctly. Only then they can understand and respond to us appropriately. At the same time, we must not be rude and consider the other person's feelings too.
Thank you, Jumbo. Mom, I'm sorry. I have been fussy and angry. I would love to see Grandpa and Grandma, but I would also like to go to the fair. Can we see them on Sunday?
My dear girl, why didn't you say so before? Okay, let us go to the carnival on Saturday and see Grandpa and Grandma on Sunday.
Thank you. You are the best mom ever.
Did you see how important it is to communicate clearly? If Jennifer had been polite and honest with her parents, then they wouldn't have had to argue and fight. Always remember to talk politely, clearly, and get your point across.